Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will go for the next chapter which is related to binary system and we will take a review about this chapter. No doubt we have just completed in this physical classes, so we have to overview this chapter to take a review. Okay, let's start it. First of all, we will talk about the number systems. How many number systems are there? There are 3 number systems in the computer. First of all is the binary, decimal and hexadecimal. As you people know that binary system is always having a base with 2 and decimal having the base 10, hexadecimal having the base 16. In this way, we can define all the number system. Now we will take an example to clear the idea about the conversion. We have to convert the number system from that to that, from that to that. Okay? So first of all, we will take a review about the how we can convert the number which are decimal and we have to convert in binary. So let's take an example. For example, we have a number 156 base 10 and we have to convert it in binary. So now we will go for that how can we solve it. So first of all, we have to convert it in binary. So we will like the LCM. So we will go for the 2. So here is the remainder 0. Here is also the remainder 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, and after that 1. Now we will go in this way to this way. We will start from here and go to that way. So we will write, we will start to write the answer from downward to upward. Okay? Like this. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and it is having the base 2. So this is the value in binary system of 156 in decimal. So in this way we can convert all these things. Okay? Now we have to convert this to decimal. So we will go for the multiplication method. We start to multiply all the numbers one by one with 2. In this way. In this way, we can multiply all the numbers with 2 and now we have to take a power. See? So we will start from this 2. इस तरह से आप सबको पावर दे देंगे 0 से जहां तक वो आते, राइट? ओके, अब हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसा कि मैंने आपको क्लास में भी इन सारी करवाई हुई है. सो 2 part 6 is equal to 64. 64 multiply 1 is equal to 64 plus it will be 0 because it is multiplying with 0. It will always be 0. ये भी 0 होगा, ये भी 0 होगा and ये भी 0 होगा. ठीक है, पावर जितनी भी है क्योंकि एट द एंड ये जो है 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो इसका आंसर हमेशा 0 आएगा. ओके, 2 part 0 is equal to 1 and 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. In this way we can plus all these numbers and we will have the answer 65 base 10. So in this way you can convert the numbers. Okay, now students, now we have to convert the decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers, right? As we know that in the decimal system we have the numbers 0 to 9. In this way you can say that in decimal system we have a 10 numbers. We have 10 numbers. So from the 10 it will be A in hexadecimal. 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. 0 से लेकर 16 तक 15 तक इस तरह से हम इन नंबर को कर सकते हैं डिफाइन. Okay, now we will take an example to clarify its process. So we will take an example. 69610 decimal. We have to convert in the hexadecimal. We will go for the that method, LCM method. And हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 16 के साथ और जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो हम साथ साथ बताते जाएंगे. ओके, वी विल गो फॉर द 10. और जो 10 है वो वापस बच जाएगा. ओके, sorry, we have to divide it. इस तरह से हमारे पास 10 बच जाएगा. 32 and the 12 will be here. So we will go for the 16. 7 is the 112. 14 बाकी बच जाएगा. यहाँ पे 5 बाकी बच जाएगा. ठीक है, और in this way here will be the 0. तो at the end हमारे पास जब 0 बच जाएगा तो इस तरह से हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और हमारा आंसर होगा 10 FEA. Why FEA? Because 15 is F, 14 is E, and 10 is A in the hexadecimal. So we will take the answer 10 F E and A, and the base will be 16 now. Okay, here is an example. Now we have to convert the hexadecimal value to the decimal value. So we have to convert in the decimal value. So we will multiply 1 by 1 every element of the number with the 16. Okay. Let's start the solution. C multiply 16 plus 9 multiply 16 plus 2 multiply 16 plus 1 multiply 16. Okay. Now we have to write the part. We will start from here 0 1 2 3. आपने 0 से बैकवर्ड स्टार्ट करते हुए काउंट करना है. Okay, now we will go for the multiplication. 16 power 3 is equal to 4096. And C is 12. And 16 power 0 is always the 1. Any number having the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay? Okay, now we have to multiply. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके ये आंसर आएगा. 256 को अगर हम 9 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 2304. 16 2s the 32 and 1 multiply 1 will be the 1. ठीक है, तो अब हमने इन सारे नंबर्स को प्लस कर देना है. तो इनको प्लस करके हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 51489. 51489 और इसकी बेस होगी 10. ओके, okay, now we have to convert the conversion hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. We will take a review of that by taking an example one by one for both of the topic. So hexadecimal से binary की हम example लेंगे. A23 पार्ट 16 को हमने चेंज करना है बेस 2 में. ठीक है, ओके, इसको हम दो तरह से कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम टेबल क्रिएट करके कर सकते हैं, और सबसे पहले तो हम ये देख लेते हैं कि हेक्साडेसिमल और बाइनरी का टेबल कैसे बनता है. ठीक है, तो हेक्साडेसिमल की सारी वैल्यूज हम एक जगह पे लिख लेंगे. एंड देन हम इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, so we will go for the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Means A B C D E and F. so पहली वाली रो में आपने 8 दफा 0 लगाना है, देन 8 दफा 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 एंड 7. इस तरह से हमने 8 दफा 0 लगा दिया है. अब हम 8 दफा 1 लगाएंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8. ओके, अब हम अगली रो में 4 दफा 0 लगाएंगे, 4 दफा 1, 4 दफा 0, 4 दफा 1. उससे अगली रो में 2 दफा 0, 2 दफा 1, 2 दफा 0, 2 दफा 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. And in the last line, we will go for the 1 by 1. First 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1. Now we have the binary values of all these numbers. Okay. Now you can write the binary values in a very simple way. First of all, you have to take A, means you have to write this value. Okay. Then you will go for the B, means 2. You have to take this value. Then we will go for the 3 and you have to take दिस वैल्यू, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से हम बारी बारी इन सारी वैल्यूज को लिख लेंगे और हमारे पास एट द एंड एक आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू राइट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये वाली वैल्यू लिखेंगे 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0। उसके बाद 2 की वैल्यू लिखेंगे ये वाली 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0। उसके बाद ये वाली वैल्यू लिखेंगे 0 0 1 0 0 1 1। तो ये हमारे पास बाइनरी वैल्यूज आ जाएगी A23 की।
समझ।
Okay, so there is an example A23. Now you can take the values in a very simple way and easier way. A जो है 10 होगा, इसकी वैल्यू होगी 1010। Okay, first of all you have to write the value of A, then you will write the value of 2, and then you will write the value of 3, right? समझ आई?
यस।
ओके, परियन कर सकते हैं। ओके,
यस।
okay, in this way our today's lesson has been completed. Now you have to practice some examples from the book, or you can do it from in your way as well. So Allah Hafiz everyone, take care yourself.